In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to interact with Elon Musk's Grok 4 to get insights on acquiring customers. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking for innovative customer acquisition strategies or simply curious about Grok's capabilities, this guide will walk you through the steps of accessing and utilizing the platform effectively. First, let's start by opening your preferred web browser. Head over to Google or your default search engine. This might seem like a simple step, but it's crucial as it will serve as our tool to access Grok 4. Once your search engine is open, type the word Grok into the search bar. Make sure to check your spelling to avoid any hiccups in finding the correct tool. As the search results pop up, look for the official Grok website. It's typically the first or one of the top links you see. Clicking this link will direct you straight to Grok's homepage. This part of the process is straightforward, as our goal is to reach the platform where we can engage with the AI. Once you're on the Grok website, you'll see a search or query box, which is your portal to interacting with this advanced AI. Here comes the exciting part: forming your question. Since we're focused on customer acquisition, think about what you most need to know. For example, you might type in, "What is the fastest way to make money online?" Or tailor your question to suit your specific needs or curiosity regarding customer strategies. This is where you'll harness the AI's power to gather insights and ideas. Next, don't hesitate. Hit that submit button to ask Grok your question. This step engages the AI, which will process your query and generate a response based on its expansive knowledge base. If you're concerned about the nature of the answers, remember that the quality of your input can greatly influence the output. It's always beneficial to phrase your inquiry clearly and concisely to get the most helpful response. Finally, once the response is generated, take some time to digest the information. Reflect on how the insights can be applied in your situation, whether it's about expanding a business, finding fresh customer outreach techniques, or deep diving into digital marketplaces. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful way to engage with Elon Musk's Grok 4 to gather valuable insights on customer acquisition. As you try out these steps, remember that experimentation and creativity can lead to better utilization of this tool. Feel free to explore different queries to maximize the potential of this AI assistant. Keep learning and stay curious as you navigate through this innovative space.